everybody! Today we're gonna do some shiplap. And this is where we're doing it! Right here!
And this is what we're using, a 7 1/4 inch face. It's always important to measure the bottom, the middle, and the top just to ensure that your wall doesn't have any variance going up before you cut all your pieces. So what do we got?
32 and 3/8.
So step one, you always got to clean the one edge just because you can never trust the factory. So you want to make sure it's square. Go for it, love. Next thing you're going to do, measure out that 32 3/8.
And then let's make a mark. Line that bad boy up. Give it a count.
Give us a thumbs up. Woo! And do it about 14 more times.
Next, fill up the holes.
Alright guys, so once the sanding's been done, what you want to do first is paint all of the seams on the shiplap to get the best finish possible. So let's do it.